Welcome to Technia TV. Hello everyone, my name is Sonia Bata. Today I am going to tell you about event. We will discuss the topic of security management in events today. Security management in events includes formulating, preparing, and implementing security plans and strategies for the event, how to protect guests, service providers, organizers, sponsors, partners, client, or target audience, media people, goods, and merchandise, and yourself from the unforeseen circumstances like first is fire. In the case of fire at the event venue, use fire extinguishers in order to extinguish the fire. In the meantime, take everyone out of the venue safely. Develop a separate emergency exit plan for this. If the fire is uncontrollable, then call the fire brigade. Follow the fire code and safety regulations to prevent the fire as specified. Let us discuss few points that we need to keep in mind while discussing regarding the fire. First, don't place any combustible or inflammable material in the venue near the green room, guest room, and sitting area. Now let's come to the second point. All the material including props must be properly treated with the fire radiant solution. Third, make sure that the entrance and exit ways are not blocked by any material or by any other means. Fourth, make sure that the event venue must have separate entrance and exit ways, fire alarm system and fire extinguishers. Fifth, use only those electric equipments which are branded and which use 3-core wires. At least one doctor with the first aid box along with the ambulance must be there at the venue to handle medical emergency. Seventh, your staff must be well trained about giving first aid and must be able to handle the fire extinguishers and the crowd in the case of fire. Second is power failure. If you are organizing an event at a place where the power failure is common, then you should have adequate power backup. In the case of power failure, switch on the emergency lights and then turn on the generators. If you have the UPS system, then it is best. If you can't arrange such type of power backups, then at least you should have the torch or candles. Create a separate emergency plan to handle the crowd and the guests in the case of power failure. Third, equipment failure. Use equipments of only reputed brands so that possibility of the failure is least. Hire only those lights and sound technicians who know how to fix up their equipments in the case of any problem and how to carry backup equipments. Create a separate emergency plan to manage programs and performers in the case of power failure. Fourth is medical emergency. A pre-medical team along with the ambulance must be present at the event venue. If this is out of the budget, then at least a doctor with the first aid box must be present. Your whole event team must be well trained in giving first aid like checkup for the breathing, CPR, controlling bleeding, effecting a prominent rescue. If possible, try to know this medical history of your guest in advance and then prepare your medical emergency plan accordingly. For example, if guest is allergic to the grass and wheat pollens, then you should make sure that he does not sit near the grass. Fifth is bad weather. You need to handle the bad weather conditions during an event. Sixth is last minute turn down. Seventh is sponsors withdrawal. If any of the sponsors withdraw him or herself at the end of the movement, then you need to handle the sponsors in this case so that the event can be successful. I hope you have understand the lecture on security management in events today. For watching more videos, please like and subscribe Technia TV. Thank you.